So here's how to receive payout from Whop. So first you will need to open your browser and then go to Whop and then log into your account. Now if you do not have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up. And after signing up or logging into your account, you can click on the affiliates here. And then under customer or creator, you will simply need to scroll down till you see set up your payments accounts. Click on set up Whop payments and then select your country. So I'm gonna select the country and then next. And you should be taken to this page where you want to create and link your Stripe account. Since Whop is partnered with Stripe, they pay users through Stripe. So even if you have a Stripe account, you can simply type your email in here and then continue by clicking submit. So I'm going to type my email real quick and then click submit. And now you will need to type your phone number to verify it. They will send you an SMS. So I'm going to type it real quick. Now after typing, you should receive a 6-digit code. You need to type it in here to complete the verification. And after completing the verification, you should be taken to setting up a Stripe business or a business account. You can select individual or sole proprietorship if you are alone, otherwise a company, and that will require providing extra details. Now you can select and click continue. Now you should be taken to this page where you want to enter your legal first name, last name, date of birth, and your address, city, and postal code. So I'm going to fill all this data real quick. So now after filling the data and pressing continue, you will be taken to this page where you will need to upload your government issued ID, a picture of the front and of the back. You can click upload and select the images from your computer or your phone. And for now, I'm gonna skip this part. Now you'll be taken to enter your bank details in here. You will enter your account holder name and the bank details. So I'm gonna fill this real quick. So after filling out your bank details, you should be taken to this final page right here where you can review your details and submit them to be verified. You can basically edit anything that you find not correct in here and then simply click on agree and submit. But here I can't click it because I did not upload my ID image or a picture of the government issued ID. Now when you simply click agree and submit, this will be submitted to Stripe for review, and then your Stripe account should be linked to Whop, and then from here you should be able to withdraw your collected earnings as a customer or creator, and then the earnings should be sent to your Stripe account, and then from Stripe you transfer the funds to your bank account. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.